Right, a little bit of diagnostic. Well, I think I know what the problem is. I went to start it the other day and I had a look at the wires. Excuse the tape on it. But what I found was it was trying to start on just the left-hand cylinder, which is always its weak cylinder. I don't know why, but these seem to suffer from it. I'm going to give it a squirt of brake cleaner if I do get it running, see if there's an air leak, but it feels like an air leak. Anyway, problem was no power to the right-hand cylinder, so this wire, no power whatsoever. So I've had a quick look, and to be honest, it's, yeah, you know, you can see it's lost a certain amount of its goodness in transferring current and probably increasing the resistance on the wire, but nothing at all. So I suspect something's dropped off inside, so what we're going to do is take the tank off, interrogate the wiring, see if we might even renew this as a loom, see if I can do something with it. But at the very least I'm going to shunt it and cut it back, give myself some more space. As I say, the wire's there, so it should have had some power, but nothing at all on this point. So obviously there's a break in the wire somewhere up there, so we'll get the tank off and we'll have a look. Right, we found our problem straight away. There's just a bit of a sniffy connection on there, so I'm going to give it all a clean up, and as I say, I'm going to be looking at whether I can alter this, give myself a bit more good wire, and we'll see if we can improve it. Right, we've had a good tidy up, checked all the connectors, rerouted a few bits of wiring, you know, as you would. Not sure that should go there, but yeah, just tidied up, and it turned out that there was a wire just pulled out, literally as I possibly thought. So what I've done is I managed to reposition this and extend it, so we've got a little bit more. Had to replace a couple of connectors in there and tidied those up because they were just struggling, you know, not enough wire on them, and you know, too much resistance in them, so I'm trying to give it the best chance I can. So that really is all about done. I'm just about to stick the tank on and plug it all in, so we'll see how we get on when we've got it all plugged in and see if it fires up. Probably still be absolutely refusing to pick up on this cylinder. It just doesn't until it's warm. It's just, I don't know what's wrong with it. I'm at the point I've given up there. It's usable, but just feel that this carburetor's not playing. So we will whack it all back in, tank on, and finish to finalise the bits. Check the points again, as you do, just because I've been playing about them. They're all spot on, so it's given it every chance. So we'll get the tank back on and see what we've got. Well, that's it, we're running, and still not convinced it's running right. And that's carburation. I'm not at all happy with it. It still feels like it's struggling to make something. Feels like it's air or whatever, I'm not sure. Anyway, but anyway, we know the timing and that everything's right on the ignition side.